Hi, I'm Twyla from My Bilingual Life. I want to help you become bilingual. Today, we're going to look at the verb ver, to see. Ver is a regular ER verb in the present tense conjugation. So here is our chart with the subject pronouns. If you aren't familiar with the subject pronouns, please make sure to watch our video so that you can understand what this means. And as I said, this is a regular ER ending verb in the present tense. So here are the endings that you will add to the base form of the verb. Here are the endings that you will add to form the correct present tense verb. So we will start with yo veo. Tú ves. Él ve. Ella ve. Usted ve. Nosotros vemos. Nosotras vemos. Vosotros veis. Vosotras veis. Ellos ven. Ellas ven. Ustedes ven. Let's read through this one more time. Yo veo. Tú ves. Él ve. Ella ve. Usted ve. Nosotros vemos. Nosotras vemos. Vosotros veis. Vosotras veis. Ellos ven. Ellas ven. Ustedes ven. Now let's look at some sentences with this verb. Yo veo mi amiga. I see my friend. Yo veo mi amiga. Tú ves la escuela. You see the school. Tú ves la escuela. La maestra ve la clase. The teacher sees the class. La maestra ve la clase. Nosotros vemos el libro. We see the book. Nosotros vemos el libro. Ellos ven mucho. They see a lot. Ellos ven mucho. I hope this has helped you with the conjugation of the present tense verb ver, to see. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of the videos that are coming in the future. I'll see you soon. Nos vemos.